Let's smoke some pork belly burnt ends. So what you have in front of you is about a 6-pound pork belly with the skin off. The first step in the process is to cube it up. After you cut them this way, you want to go across the other way, about the same size, about 1.5 inches. You want to season them with your favorite seasoning. Today I'm using Fiesta brand. A lot of the products that you see here on my videos, you will have a link on the description below in case you guys are interested. For this part, you do want to season liberally. You want to make sure you get every single corner of each piece of the burnt ends. All right, so now the next step is to transfer these babies over to your grate that you're going to be using. You want to leave a little bit of space in between so that all the smoke can go all around the meat. Your cubes are going to have a fat side and a meat side. Go ahead and put them fat side down. I like to regulate my temperatures using this Thermoworks. It's been a game changer for me. If you're interested, I have a link on the description below. While this is smoking for the next 3 hours, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to prepare your glaze. So I created this glaze. Problem was that I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but I'll tell you what I put in it. Put a Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I put about a cup of that. I put the juice of these pineapple chunks. I put about 1/4 of a cup of this apple jelly, and I put about another 1/4 of these, a 1/4 cup of these pineapple preserves, and about a 1/4 cup of this apple juice. So once you throw all that in there, you just go ahead and mix it in. This is the glaze that you're going to use at the very last step. So once you have this done, just go ahead and put it off to the side. After about 3 hours, this is what you're going to have. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the next step and putting these in a pan. All right, so in this step, what we're doing is we're going to be covering it up with a foil. But before we cover it up, I want to add a couple little things to make it nice and juicy. Get yourself a little bit of brown sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and put some butter. I've got about 2 sticks of butter here that I pre-cut. And last but not least, a little bit of your honey. Now what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and wrap it with foil. Take it back in the smoker. This baby's gonna sit in there for about 1.5 hours. We're still keeping the temperature at 265. So I just pulled them out of the smoker. They've been there for about 1.5 hours. The next step here is to go ahead and we're gonna transfer them to a new pan. Pour the glaze that we made earlier all over. All right, so now this is gonna go back into the smoker for about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, this is the result. Let's go ahead and pull it out of this pan so that you can see the final product. Pork belly burnt ends. Once again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been the Smoking Beard. Catch you guys on the flip side.